Even with all the technology and scientific progress we have today, some events around the world remain completely unexplainable. From natural phenomena that break scientific rules to people developing impossible abilities, these mysteries continue to confuse researchers even now. Today, we explore 10 real events that science still cannot explain. This is SLVtopfacts. Let's begin. In India, a lake called Lonar Lake has shocked scientists for years. Sometimes it appears normal blue, and then overnight it turns bright pink. There are no factories, no chemical spills, and no pollution anywhere near the water. Researchers believed microorganisms were responsible, but the transformation happens far too quickly for that explanation. Until today, we know what happens. But science still cannot explain why it changes so dramatically. People in many countries have recorded trumpet-like or metallic sounds coming from the sky. These noises last for minutes and echo across entire cities. Weather stations detect nothing unusual. Airports confirm no planes were flying. And microphones show that the sound actually comes from the atmosphere itself, not from the ground. NASA has acknowledged the phenomenon, but admits the true source is still unknown. In rare cases, people wake up from accidents or medical procedures with brand new abilities they never had before. Some suddenly speak a foreign language. Others become skilled in math, art, or music without any training. This rare condition is known as acquired savant syndrome. Brain scans cannot explain how new abilities appear, and scientists still do not understand how the brain unlocks knowledge that was never learned. There are places on Earth where compasses and GPS systems malfunction without any clear reason. One of these zones is in Australia, where compasses spin unpredictably as if magnetic north is moving. Geologists tested the area for magnetic metals and found nothing. Radiation levels were normal, and GPS devices gave coordinates that were scientifically impossible. The cause remains unexplained. Astronomers detected a radio signal coming from deep space that repeats every 16 days with perfect rhythm. Stars, planets, and black holes do not create patterns like this. The signal is too clean and too consistent to match any known cosmic object. Scientists still do not know what produces this repeating cosmic heartbeat. A woman in Greece reported feeling pressure and sensations in her head before earthquakes happened. Doctors studied her and discovered that her brain reacted to electromagnetic changes in the Earth's crust. Normal humans cannot detect these signals. Scientists still do not understand how one person could sense natural events that the human body should not be able to perceive. In desert regions of Texas and Australia, glowing orbs of light appear and move across empty landscapes. They drift slowly, then suddenly accelerate or change direction. They sometimes split into two or vanish instantly. They are not drones, not vehicles, and not reflections. Scientific equipment cannot match the lights to any natural or artificial source, leaving their origin unknown. A young boy in Japan suddenly began solving advanced mathematical problems he had never been taught. His brain scans showed activity similar to that of highly trained mathematicians. He described seeing math as shapes and pictures forming in his mind. There is still no scientific explanation for spontaneous mathematical intelligence like this. In a small Canadian village, residents reported a constant low vibration shaking their homes. Water rippled in glasses, furniture moved slightly, and people could feel waves through the floors. Scientists placed sensors in the ground and detected nothing unusual. There were no machines, no geological shifts, and no pressure changes. The vibration has no confirmed source. In France, a woman went for a routine checkup, and doctors discovered something impossible. Her physical heart beat at one rhythm, while her nervous system showed a completely different rhythm at the same time. Normally, these two patterns always match. But in her case, they were independent. She was completely healthy, and scientists still cannot explain how the human body could generate two separate heartbeats. These unexplainable events remind us that even with modern science, our world still hides mysteries. From strange natural phenomena to abilities that defy logic, there is still so much we do not understand. Which mystery surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unexplained facts every day. This is SLV Top Facts, signing off.